Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the server settings immediately. Click the server name in the top left and choose Server Settings. Once done, verify you have managed server permission, because without it, many options stay hidden. Make sure your Discord app is updated on desktop or use the web app. Mobile hides some fields. Now that settings are open, look for the Overview and Widget sections. These will guide you to the server code or join link without extra digging. Next, go directly to the Invites tab to see active invite codes and who created them. This shows the server code inside each link. If no invites exist, open the Widget section and enable Server Widget. This creates a stable invite URL you can copy. Once you copy it, extract the server code portion after the final slash. If things still don't show, examine the audit log to find past invite creation events and recover the code from there. Finally, copy the invite URL and paste it into any text field, then isolate the code. The characters after the last slash are the server code. You should test the invite in an incognito browser to confirm it grants access, and if it fails, revoke and recreate the invite immediately to produce a fresh code. Make sure to update any widgets or pinned links. Troubleshooting tip: if invites don't appear, recheck permissions and audit log, then recreate an invite as owner or admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.